Hi there tech lovers, hope you're doing good. Today we bring you a tutorial on how to make a simple fence in Blender with texture, and it will look really good. So first of all, what we'll do is the box that is already present on the 3D view, we'll size it in the X direction so that the width looks approximately like a fence. Then we'll close in the Y axis, and this looks like a wood wooden fence. What we'll do is go into the edit mode. We'll cut a ring in the middle. What we'll do is we'll pick up this edge and make it a little pointed so that it looks like a fence. We'll make the width a little more less. We have the basic structure of our fence ready. Now what we'll do is we can make more such structures, but first we will texture this fence and then we'll copy it so that the texture is also copied to each and every fence that we each and every stand of this wooden log has that texture in it. First we'll go to the material, we'll color it brown, then we'll go to the UV image editor, go into the edit mode, unwrap it. Now we'll open an image. First of all, we'll give the texture here. Go to the fence texture. I already have an image. Fence texture. Now what we'll do is project from view. I'll just make it equal to the wooden log here so that the texture comes out neatly. Now as you can see, we have the texture on the wooden block. If I delete this light, you'll see it properly. Now what we will do is we'll simply copy it, take it to the Y direction, point 0.7 would be good. By 0.7 on the negative Y. Then we can create as many as we want. I'll just create 2 more. Y. 4. So we have, now what we'll do is we'll keep this the shortest. We'll select these, go into the edit mode, and I'll select these 2 faces, and take it up to 0.5. And then I'll do the same with this one also. 5, and then we'll come to this one. This one will go to again 0.5. Like this, 0.5. Oh no, this one would be 1. And then we'll come to this one. 1. So now you can see that we almost have our fence ready. What we'll do is now I'll just copy this one, this block again, keep it on the, rotate it 90 degree in the X direction. Now what we will do is go into the edit mode. First of all, we select the edge tool, select this edge, we make it straight, we decrease the width in the Z direction, increase the length, this bar, we just copy another one, and we have a very basic structure of the fence beautifully ready, the texture on. As you can see, you can play around it depending on your own requirements. You can have a longer fences, you can have fences of the equal size, and you can play with different textures also. Thank you so much. Subscribe to our channel.